remove the tray cover. Remove the M.2 backplanes from the node. If applicable, remove the drive cage assemblies from the node. If applicable, remove the PCIe riser assemblies from the node. Remove all the DIMM cones. Remove the DIMMs from both nodes. Remove the front and rear cross braces. Remove the water loop screws. Remove the two Torx T10 screws and then slide the voltage regulator clamp plate out of the node. Remove the following screws to loosen the quick connect. Orient the water loop carrier with the M.2 backplane guide pin and then gently put the water loop carrier down and ensure it is seated firmly on the water loop. Tighten the water loop carrier screws. Fully loosen all the Torx T30 captive screws on cold plates in the removal sequence shown on the cold plate labels. Move all the anti-tilt wire bales inwards to the unlocked position. Carefully unhook the quick connect and slide it out of the opening in the rear of the tray, and then lift the water loop up off the system board. Carefully adjust the water loop so that one half is sitting on top of the other half. Lift the handle to release the processor from the retainer. Holding the processor by its edges, lift it from the retainer. Release the retaining clips from the cold plate. Lift the retainer from the cold plate.